Alright guys, so I will be unboxing the Oculus Quest here. This is my first VR headset ever. Just as excited as you guys are. Wow, that is nice packaging. So it's all shrink wrapped, super tight around there. It's my favorite kind of shrink wrap packaging. Back, this has some, hope you guys can see that, has some, game previews of what you can get, description, blah blah blah, 64 gigabyte model, and from Facebook. Facebook bought Oculus, as you guys might know. So yeah, now let's just try to see where we want to open this from. So the reason I decided to buy this was because I wanted to start playing around with Tilt Brush, Google Tilt Brush, and this was the cheapest entry level to get to use that app. So, oh man, this is a matte finish. This is really nice. It slides out. It's really nice packaging. Okay. Oculus logo here. Ooh, look at this. Even the packaging has these different poking levels to fill in the holes. Wow. This is it. This is crazy. Damn, so this is the whole setup here. Damn. It's clean. Everything black. So in this little kit here, you got your wall adapter, USB-C, thank you Zuckerberg. A glasses adapter for the mask for people who wear eyeglasses. A really long charging cable, USB-C to C. And 2 batteries, probably for the controllers. These are Mitsubishi batteries. Reference guide, safety warning manual. And that's it for the box. And here is the headset itself. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 camera sensors on the outside. Looks like a 3.5mm headset jack on the left. Underneath, volume up and down, and then the focus knob, I'm guessing. On the right is another one of those headphone jacks. It's probably not a headphone jack now that I think about it. And the inside just gives you some more instructions. And oh wow, these are a textured finish, so it's got like grip on it. You can see the controls there. So yeah, this is really cool stuff. Little wrist strap extensions. This is really nice packaging, really good stuff. Very excited to try this out. Just wanted to give you guys a up-close look at the product. You can see the texture on this controller, the button gloss, the finishing, the rubber, the textured analog stick. Yeah, it's a very nice product. And what I like about this battery is actually, you pull it out. So that's where the battery goes, and this closes magnetically, which is a nice touch, rather than like the cheap feeling kind of like remote control vibe. It's very nice. And here's the headset again, close-up angles. And yeah, so I'm very excited to try this out. It's my first VR headset. It'd be really cool to see what I can make with this stuff. So yeah, there it is. Thank you guys for watching.